All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Champagne Julep. Okay, we're going to start off with a few mint leaves and go ahead and throw them in your mixing glass and add about a half a teaspoon of sugar. And we're just going to add a tiny bit of champagne into the glass, just enough to get it a little wet in there. Take your muddler and muddle the mint leaves and the sugar. And you've got the liquid from the champagne in there, and you're going to release the mint, the oil from the mint, into your sugar water there, sugar champagne water, I guess. Okay. All right. And you can put a little bit more champagne in here just so that we can get it into our champagne glass. Okay? And now we're just going to top it off. Pour it carefully. You don't want to overflow it. So if you're looking for a new way to enjoy a glass of champagne, try out a mint julep or a champagne julep. There you go. Bottoms up.